If you are wondering how to use the app iMovie, this is how to do it. First, you're going to want to press Start New Project and click Movie. If you want to make a movie, an iMovie about horses, you can select all of your photos. Once you have all your photos, you can shorten them by using these yellow lines to make them shorter or longer. Different ways to use them are by adding text features. Down at the bottom where it says Action, Speeds, Volume, Text, and Filters, you can go to Titles and choose different types of fonts that you want. Say I want line title, I can do this, and I have to hold down on this to edit it. I can write different types of horses on here. This is one way on how to add texts. You can also change colors of texts by going to the bottom left corner and choosing the color that you want. Say if I wanted green, I could pick any color on here and choose green that I want. You can also choose different styles that you want, like where you want your text to go. Other interesting things you can use in iMovie is by adding actions. By adding actions, you can add Ken Burns, which makes your photos move in different directions. So if you have it on, see how the horses move down? But if you turn it off, then they just stay there. To add sounds from other videos, you can choose one like this and put the 3 dots and choose audio only. It'll use the audio from that to put under the video. Some other cool things that you can use with iMovie is adding videos. To use videos, you just have to go to Video, Recently Added, and then pick any type of video that you want. Some other cool things that you can use with iMovie is changing the speed and sound of audio. If you click on the audio, you can go to speed and make it slower or faster. When making it faster, the sound usually is more high-pitched, and using slower, the voice gets very deep. You can also go to volume and make it louder or quieter when you want, whatever you want.